Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nancy and Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a pineapple upside down cake. Sugar free. Let me say no sugar added. Come on. Okay, in the oven I've got a stick of butter melting. By the way, I have that in a 9 by 13 pan. So here I'm draining the juice from a can of crushed pineapple because I'm going to use it. You want to get the sugar, no sugar added pineapple. So it's just its own juices. And we're going to follow the directions on it's the sugar-free Pillsbury cake mix is what I'm using. But we're going to follow the directions just like it says. But instead of a cup of water, we're going to use a cup of juice. You don't need the rest of it, so don't, unless there's something else you're fixing, you don't need the rest of it. But, so we've got 1 cup of juice here that I've already got the cake mix in here. It also calls for 1/3 cup of oil. I would rather melt some coconut oil, but I have made a lot of stuff this morning already. So. And let's see, 3 eggs. Just making sure we're not getting any shells in there. A lot easier to get it out of here if any of them falls in. Okay, now we're going to whisk our cake mix together just like you normally would do. Like I said, it calls for a cup of water, but I so much did not want to waste that juice. And when I make pineapple upside down cake, which is not very often, and I really don't know why because they're so good, I like to use the juice. Look at that. Get it mixed up really good. Be sure and get down in the bottom of it. Then we're going to switch over to our spatula, because we want all of that in there. And we're going to bake the cake just like the directions on the box say. So I've got the oven preheating to 325 degrees. As that's preheating, I'm melting that butter. There we go. Okay. Okay, our butter has melted. So let's get it out of there. Of course, be careful. Right. Next on the list is some brown swerve sweetener that we're going to sprinkle in the bottom of this pan. You want to cover it up pretty good. Don't go overboard, but you know, you want to cover it up pretty good. You wipe my little bear off. Use that bit. Okay. Yeah. You should get it up in the corners because, you know, if a person likes that corner piece, then obviously they want some of the delicious brown sweetener in it. Okay, now let me, yeah, still too hot. Let me turn this around. Well, let me wipe this off of here before I get that all over the place. Let me turn this around so that we can get some of that pineapple juice down here on, or the pineapple juice. Pineapple juice on the butter down here on this end as well. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and start sprinkling our crushed pineapple in there. You can put cherries if you want to. I like cherries, but a lot of people don't, so I'm not going to put the cherries in there. I'm just going to pour it in, and then I'll take my hand or spatula, whatever. My hands are clean, believe me. And then just mix that around because I want it everywhere. I want the brown sugar everywhere. I want the butter everywhere. I want the crushed pineapple everywhere. Put that up. Just this alone smells great. Alright. Get some in the corners. Now we're going to go ahead and put our cake batter in. And our oven is ready. So let's get this done. Spread that out. Okay. There in that side. Now we're going to bake this again as it asked you to on the box, and this says 30 to 38 minutes, so I'm going to start with 35. And I'll be back in a little while. I can't even tell you how good this smells, y'all. You have to make it yourself to know. Oh, look at that. Can you see that bubbling up under there? Listen. Oh boy. Yeah, buddy, that should be absolutely delicious. Obviously, I'm going to let it cool completely down. I can't even touch that. It is... Oh no, that would literally scald my gizzard completely out. We don't want that. But I will take a few pictures of it. And, uh-oh, oops. There we go. And I'll get Tom to insert a photo of it here. Just think about it having a little cherry on the top of it too. Because like I said, I didn't put them on there. A lot of people don't like cherries. I do. I'm sacrificing. It's one for the team. One for the team. Y'all take care if you haven't subscribed yet. I hope that you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell. Please hit the thumbs up. That thumbs up means you liked my video. Those likes are very important to me. Tells me to make some more stuff that you all like. Y'all take care. I will see you next time. Bye now.